Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. Today we're making Zabaione. It's a beautiful whipped Italian custard made with only 3 ingredients. This was one of my favorite treats growing up, and I love it served with berries, either hot or cold. I'm going to show you how to make this using Marsala wine, but I'll give you some options for a non-alcoholic version. You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. The secret to perfection in this recipe is whisking, whisking, whisking. Now I'm going to just be using a hand whisk, but you can also use a hand beater. Place a heat-proof bowl onto a pan of simmering water. Be sure not to let the water touch the bowl. In goes 100 grams or half a cup of sugar, 80 milliliters or 1/3 cup of Marsala wine, and 6 egg yolks. And we're just going to start whisking. The color of my Marsala is going to give this a beautiful, delicate pink color when it's finished. But the color of yours might differ depending on your liquid of choice. I'm using Marsala wine, but you can use any fortified sweet wine or even rum. And if you don't want to use alcohol, you can use a tablespoon of white grape juice topped up with a few tablespoons, about 3 of water. Or you could leave that liquid out completely and just do the eggs and sugar. You'll have a much thicker Zabaione, but it still tastes delicious. Like I said, keep whisking. You'll want this to triple in volume. If your water starts to boil, make sure you're adjusting the heat. I've turned mine down a little bit. When it leaves a light ribbon and looks like this, you can take it off the heat. Pour your Zabaione into your serving glasses, layering with your favorite fruits. I'm using a mix of berries. I like to top mine off with a Cantuccini biscuit. And enjoy! If you're looking for a great Italian dish to serve for dinner before this dessert, check out my Italian stuffed shells. And be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.